The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Hunterdon County and northwestern New Jersey, west central. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, west central Morris County in northern New Jersey, southwestern 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Lines if possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Allentown, Allentown, Wharton, Washington, Redstone. Intact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Allentown, Allentown, Wharton, Washington, Redstone. New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Sussex, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Plum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the River Choptank River until 5:45 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles west of Boone's Island, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, motors and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, North Beach, Herring Bay, Blackownet Point, James Island, Harper Island, Flag Harbor, Gilman Island, Chesapeake Beach, Beale, Taylor's Island, and Shady Side. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.